Hey everybody, it's Nick again. The video from the other night was mainly to show off the headlights on that new snowblower of mine, the Benchmark 30-inch 420cc tracked unit from Home Hardware here in Canada. Today, hopefully, because it's a little brighter out, it's daytime obviously, we should be able to get maybe some front shots of it, just so you can see the auger in action. The unit works really, really well. I'm really surprised. Breaks through deep snow pretty easy, good traction, throws quite a distance, and hopefully today's video you'll be able to see some of that in action. So enjoy the video, and without any more delays, let's get into it. Well, there's another quick look. Daytime this time. As you can see, it handles all this really grainy snow quite well. Traction's good. There's some small adjustments I think I need to make, but that's all part of having a new machine and learning a new machine. If you have any questions or comments about that machine or about the video in general, leave a post in the comments down below. And I welcome any kind of commentary or any kind of tips or any advice. So I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at the Benchmark 30-inch 420cc snowblower from Home Hardware here in Canada. Have a great rest of your day and stay warm out there. It's cold.